What is up, my riders? So you guys know I uninstalled the IS20. I'm going to be unboxing today the IS38 Plus that we got in the mail. And I want to do a video on this specifically to show you guys the difference on the turbo. I still have to wait for an oil drain line. I had to get a new oil drain so that it's perfect, not kinked at all, anything like that. And I ordered another coolant drain just to make sure that everything's good in that regard too, since I was experiencing coolant leaking at the beginning as well. So without further ado, we're gonna open this package up and see what's inside. Okay guys, and big shout out to ECS Tuning on this. They are the ones that got me a deal. I wanna shout out, I think it's pronounced Devin. Also, we have Max who packaged this for me. Just wanted to do like a really good unboxing and review of this, and I'm really excited that they helped me out with this. And I really wanted to do a separate like review on the turbo instead of just shouting them out in the install. That way they get proper recognition. Thank you, Max. That's actually crazy. Here we go. So we got two ECS stickers that were thrown in. I don't know what this is. It says something about a wine voucher. That's an HPA. Holy shit. That's actually really cool. It's just 3 dash mark. Welcome to the HPA family. That's a really cool, neat way to present this. I wanted to show you guys that real quick. Packed very well. I'm actually blown away. This is crazy. At the size difference. Holy hell, it's heavy. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the camera flipped around here. You guys, since it is a comparison video, I just wanna show you guys kind of the comparison of just the housings, size difference-wise. What we have here is the IS20 next to the IS38. And you can see just the size difference on the exhaust housing. It won't be that much of a difference, but it'll be there. And then where you really start to notice is on this side. It is a huge difference on the cold side. We also have delete here as well, so that'll be really nice. It's like a more low profile muffler delete versus my old muffler delete. On this one, hopefully it fits up because it's a bit smaller. If you guys can see the wastegate actuator, put these gently up to the side here, the inside of the IS20. And you guys can see the blades on that, and then look at on the IS38 Plus. I'm actually blown away at the quality of this and just how it looks as a whole. The exhaust side too. There's the exhaust side. IS38 Plus, the side of the IS20. All right, guys. Speaking of that, we actually just got the other part that we need. It actually works perfectly to snake in between and run from the bottom of the turbo, from here on the hard fitting, but on the other turbo, and then down to the block where it goes back in. So it feeds oil back in that goes to the turbo. My old one was kinked, it was too long. This one is one that everyone says on the parts page for the turbo swap works 100%, so that's what we're going with. Okay guys, so like I said, there will be an installation video on this coming very soon. It says that the coolant part, which is just the coolant feed to the back of the turbo, will be here in 2 days. That is just to replace it to make sure that everything is good, because I just spent all this money on the turbo, so obviously I want to make sure everything's good. But I still have one last thing before I end this video out that I want to show you guys that will seal this all up, so let's do that. Put our actual sponsor on here. Cleaned. Gotta figure out how to do these stickers real quick. And there we go, guys. Thank you, ECS Tuning. Also, I couldn't forget about HPA. So like I said, guys, I'm super excited to throw it in, and obviously that will be coming soon. I will do an installation video for you guys and everything that comes with that. So I wanted to at least give you guys a little bit of like a unboxing, like here it comes video, so that you guys are ready for it. I do have to wait, like I said, for coolant feed from the back, and then that will be it. We will be ready here within the next couple days. So we'll start the installation video for you guys, and I just want to see some hype. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a big difference. Get excited, get hype. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. As always,